a follow-up on breaking it apart and fixing it. Here's the right trigger fixed. With what they send you, it is surprisingly easy. They send you the whole back cover, so you don't have to be messing with these springs. I've seen videos where you have to take the spring out and put a new spring in there. Since they send you the whole back cover, you don't need to do that. If the spring breaks at some point, maybe I'll fix it and put this one back on. We'll see. But they send you a full back cover, so I just took out the memory card, took out these two and these two screws. They send you the tools. Use this to start breaking it apart from the side. Comes off. Just snap the lid on, put the screws back on, and it's good to go. Surprisingly easy. So there you have it.